Hey, good evening. This is Neil with Simple Futures. Second time doing this video. First time tech malfunctions. Gotta love that, don't you? So here we go with what I wanted to look at tonight. Two things. One, go check the nat gas chart. It perked up today on some news. And what we want to do is with that chart, grade the follow through tomorrow. Is there momentum range? And does their commitment, i.e. stick, near the highs? If that's the case, then that gets a good, healthy passing grade for the follow-through tomorrow, possibly. We don't know. Grade it. And with that, if that's the case, then what we'll start doing is asking it to hold with higher lows as it's making its way up, and that will be a series of one time framing higher, and that is a trending market. So we'll take that one day at a time. Second step here, crude. This is what this is, crude. You see, it's been in this range for a while. It just keeps banging around. It's like 68 by 70 and just back and forth. It's been really kind of crazy. But today is an interesting development in that today's profile is a trending profile. If you look at this, it's got an HVN here, another one, 3 and 4. 4 of these. That's a lack of ability to settle in on consensus as to like fair or value. This is something in search or look and trend. This is a trending profile. So with that, we're going to give it a chance to be something. And if it is, then it will pull back and hold today on a pullback. I don't want to see it below today's value area low. So somewhere at or just above $69.70 as value area low. Hold, support. If that's the case, starts to bounce off of that. Target, I want to target up here, $72.30. That is the last week's value area high. If it gets above there, it won't first test, but if it gets above there, next week we'll talk about the next target, which will be 74. But first we have to go deal with this 72 up here first. So back into just below 70, then up to $72.30. That is the idea trade plan for crude. Hope it helps. Good trade. Nice evening. We'll do it again at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me